Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I love it when the weather gets warm enough for me to wear summer shoes. And I have found the best summer shoes with these adorable and comfortable sandals from COFACE. My favorite thing about these sandals is the comfort. I can wear them and have worn these sandals all day. I've walked a crazy amount of steps in them, and my feet are happy and pain-free at the end of the day. They have a nice arch support and are made with yoga mat material, which makes them extra cushiony and lightweight. They're perfect for all the walking that I do. I also like the adjustable Velcro buckle to help them to stay firmly on your feet. Love how versatile they are. I can wear them with casual leggings, I can dress them up with skirts, or I can wear them with dress pants. They come in so many colors, and I want a pair of each so I never have to wear any other sandals ever again. I got them in brown so I could wear them with a lot of different outfits. I also love this durable non-slip sole that they have. That would be great for a day by the pool. So if you're looking for a great pair of summer sandals that go with every outfit that you have and are comfortable with every step that you take, then look no further than these awesome sandals from COFACE. They'll make you want to throw out all your other sandals and give you a whole different view on summer fashion.
And that's my point of view.